Top 5 ways to be positive and ignore toxic people. Here are 5 ways to be positive and ignore toxic people. Set boundaries, limit contact, reduce interactions as much as possible. Don't engage, avoid getting drawn into arguments or negativity. Be direct, if necessary, politely but firmly communicate your boundaries. Practice self-care, prioritize yourself, focus on your well-being and happiness. Surround yourself with positivity. Spend time with supportive and uplifting people. Engage in activities you enjoy. Hobbies, exercise, or creative outlets can boost your mood. Develop a positive mindset. Challenge negative thoughts. Replace them with positive affirmations. Practice gratitude. Focus on the good things in your life. Cultivate mindfulness. Be present in the moment and reduce stress. Let go of the need to control. Accept what you can't change. Focus on what you can control. Detach emotionally. Don't take their negativity personally. Forgive but don't forget. Release resentment and move forward. Seek support. Talk to someone. Share your feelings with a trusted friend or therapist. Join a support group. Connect with others who understand your situation. Consider professional help. If the toxicity is severe, therapy can provide guidance. Remember, your mental and emotional well-being are important. By taking these steps, you can protect yourself from negativity and cultivate a more positive outlook on life.